So first question, the best way of collecting chlorine is A. By downward displacement of air. B. By upward displacement of air. C. Over water. D. Underwater. The correct answer is option B, by upward displacement of air. Chlorine can be collected by downward delivery, which is the same as upward displacement of air. Next question. Which of the following ions will give a white precipitate with aqueous sodium hydroxide and soluble in excess of the base? A. Calcium ions. B. Magnesium ions. C. Zinc ions. D. Copper ions. The correct answer is option C, zinc ions. Zinc ions form white precipitate with aqueous sodium hydroxide but soluble in excess of the base. Next question. In the oil drop experiment, Millikan determined the A. Charge to mass ratio of the electron. B. Mass of the electron. C. Charge of the electron. D. Mass of the proton. The correct answer is option C, charge of the electron. Next question. What is the pH of a 2.50 to the power of -5 molarity solution of sodium hydroxide? A. 3.6, B. 5.0, C. 9.4, and D. 12.0. The correct answer is C, 9.4. Let's see why. Now remember that pH is equal to the negative logarithmic of hydrogen ion. Meanwhile, note that sodium hydroxide has hydroxide OH-, hence determine the POH before pH. So POH is equal to the negative logarithmic of hydroxide. And when we take the negative logarithmic of what we are given, we will arrive at 4.6. But remember also that we are expected to calculate the pH and not the POH. So to find the pH from the POH, we remember the formula. pH plus POH is equal to 14. Therefore, pH is equal to 14 minus POH. So in our case, pH will be equal to 14 minus 4.6, and that is equal to 9.4. Next question, deliquescent substances are also A. Efflorescent, B. Anhydrous, C. Hygroscopic, D. Insoluble. The correct answer is option C, hygroscopic. Deliquescent substances are hygroscopic. Next question. In the extraction of iron in the blast furnace, limestone is used to A. Release carbon dioxide for the reaction. B. Reduce the iron ore. C. Increase the strength of the iron. D. Remove impurities. The correct answer is option D. In the extraction of iron, limestone is used to remove impurities. Next question. Sulfur exists in 6 forms in the solid state. This property is known as A. Isomerism, B. Allotropy, C. Isotropy, D. Isomerism. The correct answer is option B. Allotropy. Allotropy is the phenomenon whereby an element exits in different forms. Next question. Bronze is an alloy of A. Silver and copper, B. Silver and gold, C. Copper and nickel, D. Copper and tin. The correct answer is option D. Bronze is an alloy of both copper and tin. Next question. In the reaction above, H2SO4 behave as A. A strong acid, B. An oxidizing agent, C. A good solvent, D. A dehydrating agent. The correct answer is option C, a good solvent. Let's explain. When a chloride or a trioxonitrate 5 is heated with concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6, hydrochloric or trioxonitrate acid distills over as a vapor because of its lower boiling point. Hence, H2SO4 is a good solvent. Next question. What is the basicity of acetic acid, CH3COOH? A1, B, 2, C, 3, and D, 4. The correct answer is option A, 1. Acetic acid is monobasic with a basicity of 1 part-Lars, meaning it can donate 1 proton H+ ion per molecule. This is because acetic acid has 1 replaceable hydrogen atom, which can be neutralized by a base.